welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is AG Update. So guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to participate in Grass Airdrop campaign to maximize your chance of getting a potential reward in the future. So guys, I'm going to tell you all the important information you should know about Grass, and I'm also going to show you the step-by-step guide to stay positioned for the Grass Airdrop. But first guys, I'm going to tell you what this project is all about. So Grass is a network sharing application that allows users to set their unused bandwidth. So Grass has raised a total of $4.5 million from various investors like Polychain Capital, Tribe Capital, and has confirmed to launch a governance token in the future. So they have introduced a point system in which those who sign up, install the extension and run Grass will earn points. Also, you can get 20% of the referral friends point, 10% from the secondary referral friends point, and 5% from the third referral friends point. So currently guys, you can also sell your Grass point to Way Market, and you can also buy point from Way Market to earn big money based on your speculation. So guys, I'm going to show you guys the step-by-step guide on what to do to stay positioned for the Grass airdrop. So those of you that love browsing, those of you that love chatting, those of you that love anything about social media, your network is always on, this airdrop campaign is for you. So you don't even need to do anything special. Yours is to open an account with Grass, install the extension, then anytime you just on data, you'll be earning Grass. So you don't even need to log into Grass to even start, but you need to check your Grass if it is connected to the internet. So what you need to do is to get an extension browser. For those of you that are not using PC, you can download Mrs. browser or Yandex browser. So I recommend either of these two. If you are using an Android device, what you need to do is to go to Play Store and download Mrs. browser. Mrs. browser. So this is Mrs. browser, or Yandex browser. So this is Yandex browser. So this is Yandex browser. For those of you that don't know, this is Yandex browser. So you can download any of them. But currently, guys, I'm using Mrs. browser to show you guys how to go about it. So these are browser that supports extension. So you can also use your PC to do this. You can use Chrome on your PC to download the extensions. So guys, now what you need to do after visiting the link, which I'm going to drop at the description of this video, copy the link, take it to your extension browser, or you can join my Telegram group to get the link. So advantage of joining my Telegram group is that I'm going to explain in a written form on how to get massive Grass points apart from what I'm going to show you guys now. So please make sure to join my Telegram group so that you get the hack on how to get massive Grass points, because this is going to help you. Even though you are just opening an account on Grass now, this method is going to help you on how to get massive Grass points. So please make sure to join my Telegram group. The group is free currently. You don't need to pay a dime. Just check the link at the description of this video to join my Telegram group, and also give this video a like. So guys, after getting the extension browser, make sure to visit the link I'm going to drop at the description of this video. Now what you need to do is to sign up. So make sure to put down a valid email address, because they are going to send you a verification link or code, I think. So make sure to drop a valid email address. Now create a username. You can generate a username if you want, but I prefer you create your own username. Make sure to put down a strong password and confirm the password. Then make sure to put down my invitation code, because you need an invitation code for you to get access to Grass. So this is my invitation code on the screen. Now what you need to do is to click on I agree to terms and condition. Then you verify that you are not a robot. After that, you click on register. After clicking on register, it's going to take you to another page for you to check your mailbox to verify a link that they're going to send to you to your mailbox. So what you need to do is to verify it. So after that, you're good to go. So once you are done with the link verification, now you need to get an extension. So guys, let me log into my account. Alright guys, so this is my Grass account. Now what you need to do is to get the extension. So you need to download the extension into your extension browser. So what you just need to do, I'm going to open a new tab, is for you to search for Grass extension. So I'm going to drop the link at the description of this video. So I'm going to drop a direct link that will help you to visit the Grass extension site. So now click on it, going to bring you here. Alright, so let me set this on desktop site. It's already showing. So it's going to bring you here. Now what you all need to do is to click on add to Chrome, wait for it to process, then you click on OK. Alright guys, so downloaded already. So let's click here. You're going to see Grass extension. What you just need to do is to click on Grass extension. Now what you all need to do is to click on login. Alright, so now just make sure to log in. Alright guys, so after you click on login, then it's going to bring you here. So now let's see if it's connected. Check our Grass. Alright guys, so looking on the screen, connected. So now you can just minimize and do anything that you want to do. So the more you keep using your data, the more it is going to convert it to Grass token for you. So instead of you just using your data like that without gaining anything, you can just make sure to participate in the Grass Airdrop campaign so that at the end your data will be converted to some potential reward for you at the end. So you can see this is the dashboard. Anytime you click here, if you want to confirm if it is working, just click on the Grass extension, then it's going to bring you here. So if you see connected, meaning it is working. So if you click here, okay, you can visit your activities by logging into the Grass website. You can monitor your activities by logging into the Grass website. So you can see for just today, which is the repository. Okay, for just today I got 21.44 grass. So this is my grass so far. My network, you can see connected. Like I said, I'm going to share an important information in my Telegram group on how you can get massive grass points. So I don't want this video to be long. I'm just going to share that update in my Telegram group. I'm going to tell you guys what to do to get massive grass points. So make sure to join my Telegram group. So for those of you that want to know about grass, this is the information you have to know about grass so far. And in addition, guys, if you click on this account sign here, you are going to see not verified. Some of you are going to see not verified. What you need to do is to just click on it. After you click on it, email with the link will be sent to blah blah blah. What you don't need to do is to click on send verification link. Alright guys, so they have just sent a verification link. This is for those of you that have not verified this part. So in case you are seeing not verified, please make sure to follow this pattern. So guys, what you need to do is to visit your mailbox. Alright, so you are going to see this update from Grass, welcome Gabriel, blah blah blah. Now confirm your email. So you just need to click on confirm. Alright guys, so you can see email confirmed. Now return to dashboard. So return to dashboard, wait for it to load, or you can refresh the page if you want. Alright guys, so looking on the screen, verified. So this is how to verify this. So in case you open an account and you have not verified, make sure to follow this process. Very important, guys. So like I said, guys, I'm going to share an update on my Telegram group on Grass, on how you can get massive points on Grass. So you don't need to use any money, you just need to do it for free. Okay, so I would love to hear from you guys on what you think about this at the comment section. If this video was helpful, please give it a like. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit on the subscription button. And this is AG Update, your friend in crypto. Thank you guys, and many more grains to your wallet.